In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly stabilize video on DaVinci. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and load into DaVinci, then make sure to drag and drop your clip, select on it, then go ahead and select on inspector on the top right. Then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this option that says stabilization. Make sure that is turned on, and where it says mode, you want to change it from perspective to similarity, and then where it says cropping ratio, keep that at 0.5, and for smooth, I like to keep it around 0.8 right over here. And then for strength, I recommend that you guys do 0.2. So there you go. Then once you're done with that, you can go ahead and press on this button that says stabilize. Now, when it comes to stabilizing video, it really is a clip by clip basis. So you want to go ahead and figure out what does work best for you. But that is basically the stabilization tool right up here. So you could just leave it as is. And typically DaVinci is still going to do a pretty good job at stabilizing the video. So all you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and just wait for the stabilization to finish. And as you're able to tell, the video is far more stable. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.